It takes 7 people and 20 hours just to sell one jewelry item, and another 4 hours of paperwork to track its status. Imagine cutting that time down dramatically. What if you could do all of this in under 10 minutes? Introducing JewelerEase ERP, a powerful, cloud-based system designed specifically for jewelry manufacturers. From managing raw materials to tracking orders, invoicing, and even payroll, everything is automated and available at your fingertips. With JewelerEase ERP, you get full control over your inventory. Track raw materials, components, and finished products in real time. Metal prices for gold, silver, and platinum are updated automatically through Kitco, or use fixed pricing when needed. Batch tracking and purchase orders ensure nothing ever gets lost or misplaced. Manage your clients and sales with our integrated CRM. Keep track of every client, their history, preferences, and performance metrics, all in one place. Automate your order processing and invoicing. Create sales orders, generate accurate invoices, and track payments, all within the system. Our production module creates digital work packets for each task, assign jobs, track progress, and let workers scan completed steps using the mobile app, bringing visibility and accountability to every stage. Beyond the basics, we offer specialized modules like wax order tracking, basic HR tools for payroll and employee records, customizable settings for your unique workflows, and a secure customer portal where clients can view their orders and interact directly with your team. Make smarter decisions with powerful reporting tools. Get instant insights into sales trends, inventory levels, and team performance, all from easy-to-read dashboards. Whether you're a small workshop or a growing factory, if you're ready to streamline your operations, reduce errors, and grow your business, JewelerEase is made for you. Already trusted by thousands of jewelers globally, from India to the UAE, the US to Thailand, JewelerEase is transforming the way jewelry businesses operate. We're not done after launch. Our dedicated support and development team continuously improves the system based on user feedback, enhances security, optimizes speed, and offers customizations tailored to your business needs. Ready to take your jewelry business to the next level? Book a free demo today and see how JewelerEase can make your operations smarter, faster, and easier.